Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. So today I just wanted to touch upon this new little thing that popped up in my emails from Printful, guys. In the last video, I showed you guys how to create showed you guys a tutorial of how to create hat designs based on older designs, whether you're using them for merch, etc., or for Etsy hats. So after that, I did notice this. They sent me this email saying save money on your embroidery orders. So in addition to my little hat tutorial, I wanted to quickly talk to you guys about something that someone had left in the comments. They said that they sold their first hat and they only made $1 profit. Now, one thing people don't take into account when creating hats is the file digitization fee of $6.50. Now, file digitization fees are only for embroidered objects, and it only happens the first time they sell. So once a file digitization fee pops up on a sale, you will no longer get charged the file digitization as long as that product stays active. And every time a product sells, it will automatically renew without charging you the 20-cent listing fee. But what Printful is doing from October 18th to November 5th is they are doing free digitization files. So guys, if you were looking to start uploading hats for the Christmas season and wanted to take advantage of it, now would be a great time, just because throughout October 18th through November 5th, if anyone purchases a hat, you will not get charged the file digitization fee. I do have to say, most of the time, I typically sell hats that have already sold. It seems to be a common theme for me. Now, clearly, occasionally, I sell hats that have never sold before, and then I get charged the $6.50 digitization fee. So when coming to pricing, you're never going to make as much money on that first hat sale as you would on the second, third, fourth, or fifth, etc., just because of that one-time beginning fee. And that fee doesn't get charged until the product sells. But now is a great time to, whether you're creating sample orders for yourself or for your loved ones for Christmas, now would be a great time to do that. If you were thinking about buying any of your loved one hats that you can just make yourself, this would be the perfect time to do it, because you will save yourself $6.50 per product that has not been purchased before. So just wanted to let you in on this fun little thing. Also, for people that do Printful Etsy integrations, Printful is having a contest where they give away $50 for someone that puts out good content surrounding the Printful Etsy integration tool. So I'm going to enter that contest myself, and I believe it's just an email. I will try and include a link down below, but I just wanted to pop on and let you guys know that you guys should take advantage. If you're ordering yourselves or your family members hats for Christmas, take advantage of it in between now and November 15th. And if you were thinking about uploading hats that you think might sell really well for the upcoming season, get it done now, because once it sells once, you won't be charged the digitization, and you're skipping the digitization fee now. So I am all for it. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So you can put embroidery on just about anything. Now, I typically only do embroidery on hats, but when I do the same design on the shirt, so I will do this design on a hat basically, and this design on a shirt, just because I don't want to get charged that digitization fee. Even though it's free right now, it's not worth one of my slots, as they do cost 20 cents per. So guys, like I said, take advantage of it if you can. I'm about to. I've got a bunch of hats that I'm ordering my family for Christmas, so I'm just going to put in a large order, and I bet I'm going to save myself a bunch of money doing it this way. And create your hats through sample orders if you are sending them to yourself or to your friends or loved ones, because sample orders also help you save money as well on the shipping, and they don't charge any fees, just the base cost of the product. So in another video, guys, I will show you guys how to do sample orders. I love doing them. I do them all the time. I probably have like way too many hats now, and shirts, but I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching Mary J's Hauls. I hope you guys found this informative. If so, make sure to click the like, the subscribe, and comment below, guys. I would greatly appreciate it.